guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a vintage weathered Squire padlock. It was sent to me by fantastic Squire on our UK Locksport forum, also known as Doc Squire on YouTube. Thank you, my friend. I will add a link to Doc Squirlock's videos because they're outstanding. He literally picks locks outside in the open, sort of the London area and things. Beautiful scenery, outstanding videos, so there'll be a link in the comments. I had to clean it up a little bit at the bottom, and at the bottom it does actually say H. Squire and Sons. I think that's Willen Hall, Staffordshire, made in England, and it says sort of HS2. I might try to take a photograph of that afterwards. It does have marks on the top which I've had to scrape off a little bit. It says Squire Stronghold Patent 690471. Had to get a magnifying glass to it. It's a lovely lock, no working key. I thought I'd get it picked open and put on display after many years of service by the looks of it. I did pick this a while back. I've not done a video of it yet, and I picked it that way. As soon as I picked the lock, the shackle fell out, so springs and things have actually gone in it, again due to hard work from the lock. Back to front, heavy tension. It's open, but if I do that, that's going to fall out. Let's lock that back up. Try that again. It's open again. It does actually rock open as well. So I'm going to invert the pick. So instead of going across and picking the pins, I'm going to turn it round and just rock over. It's locked up. One more time rocking. And put this lovely lady to rest on display. So thank you so much, Doc, my friend. It's going on display shortly. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.